In this video, I'm about to show you what is good about COSRX Snail Mucin. COSRX Snail Mucin is one of the brand's most popular skincare products, known for its powerful hydrating and skin repairing benefits. It contains 96% snail mucin, a natural ingredient packed with nutrients like glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and glycolic acid that helps improve skin elasticity, fade acne scars, and promote a healthy glow. One of the best things about COSRX Snail Mucin is its ability to deeply moisturize the skin without feeling heavy or greasy, making it suitable for all skin types, including oily and sensitive skin. It also helps to soothe the irritation, reducing redness and repair the skin barrier, making it an excellent choice for those dealing with dryness, acne scars, or damaged skin. Many skincare products with harash chemical, COSRX Snail Mucin is a fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and paraben-free, making it a gentle yet effective option. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it soft, plump, and hydrated without clogging pores. Overall, it's loved for its multi-purpose benefits, helping to heal, hydrate, and improve skin's texture, making it a must-have for many skincare routines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.